Welcome to Classic Klondike Solitaire. Today we're playing Draw 3, and we're going to see how fast we can go through this. I typically like to save cards from here for last. There's actually no moves right now, so I don't know that it matters here, but we're going to see what we have. Looks like we only have one move. This may be a tougher one, which is good, because you can explain a lot more stuff there. This card right here, I'm going to save for later. Not going to play that right now. And this card I'm going to save as well. So we got two cards so far that we can play later. Let's see if there's a card in the back end of the draw pile that we can play. And there is not. So we're going to have to use one of those cards. One of those later cards. And it'll be this one this time. The good news is that will open up this. And if there is a king somewhere, we can play that. And we can. Oh, nice. Nice. Oh, that's a good card. Okay, gotta keep my fingers crossed here. Oh, that card can be played. I always play cards from the back end of the draw pile, and then the only caveat is if it's a real low card, let's say the two of clubs, and we don't have an ace of clubs out here, I won't play that right away. Sometimes because you can always go back to it later, and you don't want a small card holding you up from solving one of these. So we're going to save this card for later, and the later could be now too. You never know. Oh no, we got an ace here. And let's see, nothing there. Okay, let's cycle through again. The two of diamonds is our insurance policy. This I would not normally play down here. Let's say if this ace wasn't here, I would not play this 2 unless I was using it for insurance. The reason being is this can actually jam you up later. Some games it makes a difference. Some games it doesn't. Because you could actually have everything all the way down, and you could have a card like this holding you up. I don't have a specific example I can show you in this game, but that's what typically happens. Alright, the insurance card is there. Let's see what else is around. Oh, that card won't help a lot. Okay, going to use the insurance card and keep our fingers crossed. So, oh, this is nice. Ace of clubs can go down. Oh, that's not good. Might be bottlenecked here. Can play the 2 of clubs because the ace of clubs is in that pile. Alright, going back again, ace of clubs there. We played the 2 of clubs, but this is going to tie us up. And that was the only way to activate the card too. So, oh no, there's a move there. Let's see what else is going on. Oh, that's a good card. That's a real good card. That is not the best card, but it's not the worst. Alright, this is good. This can go up here. That's actually very good because now these cards can go up. That's a very good card to uncover. And I think this one is going to be solved. This card can go right here. Yes, this one's going to be solved. That's my prediction. Because we've uncovered enough cards to where we can push all these cards up. This card can go up. And this card can go up. This card can... going to take this angle on it here. Maybe change my mind later. This card can go right here. As you can see, there's a lot of moves here. Just from that one little spot. I was getting nervous that this might not be solved. But you never know. You never know. This is tricky. Would like to move a black king here for the red queen, but I don't know what's played, so I'm going to go backwards if I don't see the moves here. Let's see what else is here. Oh, there's a black king. Okay, I'm going to play the black king first. But to do that, I'm going to have to move 2 cards. So we're going to start with the draw pile right here. And keep my fingers crossed that there are 2 cards to be moved. There's 1 card. And the question is, can we find number 2? Yeah, number 2 will be the 6 of spades, maybe? because that'll be the card he goes through next time. Okay, or the 7 of diamonds. 7 of diamonds is our number 2 card. We're going to move that on the next time we go through the draw pile. So, okay, we go through once. Now we're going to go through again. 7 of diamonds should pop up right there. We put it right there. And, of course, the next time we go through, this king of clubs will be available to play. So going through. And going through again. King of clubs is available. Now we can move the queen under here. And, of course, we can play this king as well. And I think a 2 of spades is somewhere in one of these piles holding this up. The trick is, can we get the 2 of spades out? So we're not going to play the 3 of spades yet. All right, let's see. There's a 6 of spades. Can be played, but do we want to play it? Let's see how this goes. Yeah, I think we're going to play it and see what happens here. Because in the 7 of clubs, 7 of clubs should be the next top card. And then the 9 of hearts will be, which we can't play. So we got to figure out a way to move cards up top and see how this goes. What we are going to do here is try to build these 2 piles up and maybe uncover something here later down the line. Problem is, there's an 8 of spades and a jack of clubs. So we gotta go up fairly high. So what we're gonna do is we'd like to move the 6 and 7 of clubs up. We're gonna take this 5 of hearts and we're gonna move it under the 6 of spades. The good thing is we got like 4 different piles, so I think this can be solved here. So 6 of clubs goes up. 7 of clubs goes up. Now we're looking for diamonds, and we're looking for a 6 of diamonds and a 7 of diamonds. We want to move those cards up. Excuse me, sorry. So what we're going to do here to move the 6 of diamonds up is move the 5 of spades there. And we want the 7 of diamonds open as an open lane. So we're going to move this 6 of spades underneath the 7 of hearts. Now we can play the 6, 7, and 8 of diamonds. Play that up, put that up there, and put that up there. Next, we're going to look to move the 8 of clubs up top, and that will open up this 8 of spades pile, which may or may not give us the 2 of spades that we're looking for. If it gives us the 2 of spades, we've pretty much got the solve. If not, I think we can still solve it here. Going to move the 7 of hearts over here. And that opens up the 8 of clubs. It also opens up the 9 of clubs. And it opens up the 9 of diamonds. And the 10 of diamonds. And what I'd like to do, we don't have a 10 of clubs out, so may have gone a little too far on this one. I'm going to go backwards and put the 9 of diamonds back. The reason being, we need to move this 8 of spades right here, which is what we're going to do right now. And that is a 10 of clubs. That may or may not be bad. We're going to move it up top. And that makes it tricky. We can move this king. To do that, we're going to have to move this 9 of spades under the 10 of diamonds. And, oh, that is the card we were looking for right there. That's a very good card. That's the 2 of spades. It can go up top. It means this 3 of spades can go up top. The 4 of spades can go up top. 5 of spades. Now what is holding us is a 4 of hearts. And I'm trying to remember what was... Okay, that was under there. Let's see what cards go right here. Oh boy. Interesting, interesting, interesting. Let me think this part through here. What we need is this Queen of Hearts. That would be a good card for us. May or may not be the move right now, so we'll see. Let me think here. That doesn't go up top. Excuse me, lose my voice here. Okay. Nope, that doesn't do it. There has to be another way to get up top here. 7. Let me go back a minute. All right, let's see if there's another way to play this here. I think the queen was on the bottom. Oh, no, the queen was not on the bottom. Okay. Oh, you can't do that here. The queen needs to come down. Ew, this one's tricky. I need to get that queen out. But then I can't come back. Well, maybe there's another play. Put this as a stand. Okay, that was where we were. Oh! The jack of clubs does go underneath there. I missed the obvious. Oh, I missed the obvious. That was... Oh, okay. And there's the 4 of hearts right there. Okay, that makes sense. I missed the obvious. The 10 of clubs was there. Let's just show what I missed here. The 10 of clubs went up top, right? Let's go back here. The 10 of clubs went up top, right? Well, the next card that you can move up is this jack of clubs. That was the obvious move. And I didn't quite catch that. Well, I mean, I caught it now. And I should be able to go through and solve the rest of this right here. Let's go through again. That shouldn't be a problem. It's just a matter of putting these cards up top. There. Here we go. There. 7. 7, 8. And that should be solved there. And that's going to wrap this up. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the little delay. I'm assuming some of you figured out the jack of clubs before I did at the end, but that's not a bad thing. Thanks for watching, and good luck.